This simple recipe for braised rabbit can be used with either wild or domestic game. Here we're using 4 medium wild rabbits cut into pieces. Check out some of our prior videos for an in-depth how-to on butchering. We also have 2 large carrots, which is a great place to use those large carrots, and your aromatics consisting of a couple of bay leaves, a few sprigs of rosemary, and a large flat red onion. The flatter, the sweeter. We also have enough wine to cover your rabbit and some finely ground black pepper. Now all this is pretty subjective. You can use any type of onions that you have in stock. This recipe will also go good with just about any type of small wild game, including upland birds and squirrels. Start by peeling and chopping your carrots and onions. Try to keep all the pieces the same size for even cooking. Mix all the ingredients in a large bowl and use a gallon-size zip-top bag to keep the whole mess together. The wine could be any one that you choose, from a tart Chardonnay to a sweet Moscato. This is just your choice. Now pour in your wine, make sure that everything is covered, squeeze out any of the air to ensure good marinade to meat contact. Put into a nice bowl so there's no spillage, and pop into your chill chest for up to 24 hours. You want the ingredients to meld together. Remove the rabbit from the marinade and pat dry. Salt the pieces and give them a light dusting of flour. Pan fry until golden brown on all sides, then add the marinade. Cover and cook until tender, usually about 1 to 1.5 hours. There are a ton of variations on this recipe. Here, Mrs. Manny CA added a few potatoes and tomatoes to hearty things up a bit, since we've got a lot of mouths to feed. Plate up with a good side of toasted bread, you're ready to go. You can see how tender the meat is. Fall off the bone is what we're looking for here. Don't be scared of cooking your game. It is that simple. Buon appetito!